Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sneha Bajoria and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we'll educate you about dentistry. In today's video, we'll learn about the difference between dental crown and veneers. So, the first topic will be the purpose. What is the purpose of dental crown? Dental crown is usually used to provide more strength to the crown after a root canal treatment, or if you have a severe D class 2 cavity which is very deep and a filling won't suffice. Dental crown restores the entire tooth surface and you're able to use it for grinding as well. Veneers, on the other hand, it is used more for an aesthetic correction, maybe for your front tooth if you have gaps or if you have overlapping tooth. Then is the material. Dental crowns can be made of various material. You can have a metal crown only, which will be silver in color. You can have a porcelain fused to metal crown, which will have the base of metal and a coating of ceramic layer, or you can have a zirconia crown. Dental veneers, on the other hand, can only be usually made of zirconia or ceramic, or it can be made with composite as a filling material. The preparation is also different for dental crown and veneers. For dental crown, we have to prepare all the surface of the tooth all around, and then the crown fits on the tooth surface as a whole. For dental veneers, we only prepare the front surface of the tooth, that is the buccal or the labial surface of the tooth is prepared. And the crown, the veneer, is cemented on the buccal surface. Function of dental crown or veneers is also different. Dental crowns can be used in the posterior teeth also to help in grinding and chewing of your food. Dental veneers, on the other hand, is more of an aesthetic treatment and you cannot really bite on it because they might break or chip off. To know more about dental crown and veneers and which option is the best for you, please visit us at Dentstop Dental Clinic in Bhawanipur, Kolkata. Thank you.